Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check for your storage space being used by downloaded music on your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then in here tap on Settings. In Settings you want to go down and tap on Music. And in the music setting page, go down to the downloads section and tap on downloaded music. At the top here, it will show you all songs, and this is all the songs that have used to take up your storage space. And if you go down the list here, it will break all your songs into by artists, and you can tap on that. In here, it will break down by artists and then by albums, and then down on the albums it will show you all the songs in that particular album. And in here you'll be able to see like how much storage being used by an album. I think you can also tap on the edit information to remove songs. I won't do that for now. Okay, so that's how you can check for all your downloaded music's storage space on your iPhone 12 series. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.